How to play Blacktop with your friends online in 2K25. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to play Blacktop online with your friends in NBA 2K25. Whether you want to face off in a 1v1 or just chill with your few friends in a 3v3 match, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Add your friend. First, you need to add your friend in NBA 2K25. To do this, go to the social menu that's usually accessible from the main screen or by pressing the right stick R3 on console. Then, type in your friend's 2K username and send a friend request. Once they accept, you're good to go. Step 2. Access Blacktop mode. Next, from the main menu, go to Play Now and select Blacktop. You will then choose the match type, 1v1, 2v2, 3v3, whatever you want. Set up the court, number of players, and any custom rules you'd like. Step 3. Invite your friend to the game. Now it's time to bring your friend to the match. On the team selection screen, press the button to open your friends list, again, that's usually R3 or the right stick. Then, find your friend's name, select it, and invite him to the game. Once they accept, they will pop into the lobby with you. Step 4. Start the match. With both of you in the game, pick your teams and uniforms, and once you're ready, start the match. Now you're set to hop it up, Blacktop style. Bonus tips. A couple of quick tips. Use voice chats to stay in sync while playing. And if you're playing often, consider setting up a private match format to keep things smooth. And most importantly, have fun. This mode is perfect for casual and competitive games alike. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to play Blacktop online with your friends in NBA 2K25. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.